We launched our Tech Apprentice program last September in 2022. This is a pretty unique program. You're actually going to school while being hands-on, while making a paycheck and being able to support yourself or your family. And so that makes it a little bit different, as well as the fact that we can help supply all the tools you need to get started. The way our Tech Apprentice program works is that you come on as a quick lube technician, usually with limited experience, but just a love of automotive. And after 6 months, you can apply for the program once there's a position available. We are looking for people that are motivated, that have positive attitudes, that love automotive. They do need to get a recommendation from their manager as well. Then we start with the next phase, which is usually a aptitude testing to make sure that they have the ability to learn how to work on vehicles and the drive to learn as well. At that point, we start enrolling you in your college classes and assign a mentor to help walk you through the beginning steps of working on vehicles and the introduction you need. I'm hoping every technician apprentice that gets to go through this program understands that we're here to help invest in their career, help them further themselves, and especially with their motivation and drive, we're here to support them to help them get to the next level.